I think we're fine. But yeah, here's Litecoin. Obviously, again, just stayed super, super stable. Litecoin just doesn't really drop, which is brilliant. Akshay likes it. I thought that was a brilliant tweet. I thought that was fantastic. Litecoin entered for the win. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. You know, Litecoin's doing pretty good. I think Litecoin's kind of like silver. I think Litecoin's another one that, you know, hasn't really popped yet. Hasn't really had a chance in a very, very long time. It kind of gets laughed at a little bit. But, you know, I mean, this thing's obviously not going to, you know, like, die. I mean, by the way, like, not many people are even aware of this, but, you know, Litecoin, if we go ahead and refresh CMC right here, where is Litecoin right now in terms of market cap? Look at that. It's number 20. It's got a $7 billion market cap. Number 20. It's slightly ahead of Shiba by about $1 billion. And it's behind bcash, Stellar, Sui, Avalanche. I mean, the fact that Litecoin held on this long is pretty impressive. Now, I need to look at the fundamentals to see if it's actually worthy of investing. But just going off the technicals, it's it looks incredible. I mean, it just looks like XRP before XRP pumped. Remember? Let me show you that. Let me show you XRP before XRP pumped. You're going to be like, holy shit. You're actually a genius, Sammy. Look at this. It's the same chart. It's the same chart. Look at this. I'll put it on the side. I'll put it on the side. Thanks for 200 likes, by the way, legends. Thank you very, very much. Smash them up if you're enjoying this live stream. You already know the deal. All right, we got XRP on the weekly here. Put Litecoin on the weekly. Zoom out a little bit. Put it on the logarithmic. Zoom in. And let's get some lines drawn. Bam. Line 1. Bam. Line 2. And by the way, that big liquidation drop that happened for everybody, Litecoin just came down to this support level on that drop. And if we zoom out, show you what that looks like. Do you see what I'm saying, ladies and gents? And do not be mistaken, these coins come from similar generations in crypto. Litecoin was, of course, quite a bit earlier than XRP, but they both really got their big shine in 2017. That's when I joined crypto. I remember this very well. I love Litecoin. I love Litecoin, man. I love it. Litecoin is like... How I feel about a Litecoin? Litecoin is it's like a 911 from like... It's like a 911 Turbo S from like 2013. That's how I feel about Litecoin. We got Uncle saying Litecoin is super fast to send between wallets. Look, I don't doubt that, but what I'm wondering is it fast? Is it fast because it's good, or is it fast because nobody uses it? That's an important question. We need to figure that out. But you know, this is the same chart. XRP pump, Litecoin potential pump. It's the same chart. So look, I don't know if that's gonna work out this way, but I definitely think that, you know, Litecoin is at an interesting place, and it really, really does remind me of silver. But we do go back to precious metals here, and this is absolutely crazy. $29.95 trillion market cap for gold. It's going to hit $30 trillion potentially, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe next week, whatever. But very, very, very cool stuff. And I can't stress this point enough about the Litecoin chart. The fact that the Litecoin chart looks like this just looks so interesting. And I'll tell you what. You know, look, you might not want to risk money on this, but you might not care if you've got free money from these exchanges. Because when you do sign up and start trading with these exchanges, they're just going to deposit free money into your account. And you can trade with it. You can make money with it. You can withdraw the gains that you make with it. You don't even have to use the exchange ever again. Which is really, really cool. So check them out if you do like the idea of those kind of free bonuses to be able to take advantage of them. Check them out if you're not from a restricted region. If you do want to get inside of our free Telegram channel, that's going to be this link in the description down below. And if you want to get inside of our one-to-one program that lasts 12 weeks with incredible results, it is expensive, it is serious, but if it sounds like you can reach out using this link right here. If you are enjoying the stream so far, definitely make sure to smash them up, do all that good stuff. But yeah, these coins looking pretty good. I think Litecoin looks like one of those coins that haven't popped off yet. I've been saying this for a couple of months. Litecoin is slow. I mean, you're literally looking at price action for Litecoin that stretches all the way back to 2018 here. Litecoin is pretty slow. It's been 7 years. It hasn't done anything. It's done so badly against inflation as a result. So, you know, I just don't really see it going on forever. It's clearly kind of coiling up a little bit. I think the fact that this liquidation drop stopped exactly at support proves so much to us. I mean, these people that have bought it are not going to sell it until it pops. So all you need is a little bit of demand coming in. If there's no supply, bam, shit goes crazy. I think I've convinced myself I got to start building a position in Litecoin. It feels like silver. It feels like gold. It feels like XRP. It's got the narrative for it. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, it just kind of makes sense to me. Network activity on Litecoin has been steadily rising for years. That's cool too. That's definitely good too. It's just got all the signs. It's got all the signs. You know, I think the only thing working against it is the fact that, well, shit, it's done nothing. Do you know what I mean? But, like, 7 years down the line, and I think we've, you know, I don't even think we've seen anything close to the biggest pump to this market cycle so far. I really don't. I think we're good. I don't know. I like it. Not financial advice. You guys know the deal. Do your own research. Really, really important note. But I like it. I think it's good.